Okay, finally got a. No. Are you serious? That's a bass. No, and that's a good one. Oh God. Nice. Oh my God. He was so close in here. Oh my God, it's a raccoon. Hey, hey. You gotta be kidding me. Welcome back. I'm at Pond X here behind me, and of course it hasn't been quite the same fishing it used to be, but I'm gonna be trying out. We have been getting an insane amount of rain over the past month and a half. Not only that, a very recent bad couple storms just had some insane flooding in the local area, just going crazy in some of the creeks. But I want this place to get as much rain as possible, so it's good that we got that. Levels I don't think actually raised that far. It looks like maybe that island that's just off the edge here, maybe that's showing a little bit, but I think it's still a little bit higher water than last time I was here. Other than that, goal is to just try and catch more than or longer than a 16, maybe even 17 inch. I don't think I'll be getting 18 inches just yet. And of course, I'm gonna be walking in a little ways and tossing pretty much anything once I get to that distance. But this is pretty insane right here. 25, 30 feet of unfishable until you walk out there. It's pretty impressive. Well, here we go. Deeper than I thought I'd be, but it's good if it raised almost 2 feet. I would say at least 1.5 feet. So hopefully it is nice and deep in the deepest of points in the lake now. Sorry, pond. Big pond. Oh, I think I just had a bluegill try and hit this. That's what I'm trying to imitate with this, though. Oh, that's a bass right behind it. No. He's a small guy, though. Nice. Oh, okay. Guess I shouldn't have just yanked him out. Okay. They both got some power behind them for being so small. Oh, I thought he had a little black spot on his top lip. Let me fix this. What a way to start. How are my bites and catches coming from here? This better not be the other fish I lost. No, he's about the same. Well, he's definitely got a pretty substantial hole. That is not nice to look at. I hope he's going to be good, and a wound on that side. But let's see if I can get another one, then I'll switch over. Got something biting it. First cast is pretty good. Are you serious? I was just about to bring it out of the water. Definitely the biggest one of the day. Don't know if he's gonna be like 14 inch or so. I don't even have anything to measure him with. Please don't lose him now. There we go. Got him wrapped around. You know what? Look at him. That's a pretty decent one. Oh, he was not hooked. Ow. Hooked myself a little bit. He was not hooked too well. But of course, even though he was fighting pretty good, I ended up bringing him in. It's nice to get one at least this big. There you go, yeah. Splash that whole arm. Actually feels great, even though are you kidding me? I didn't even notice if this happened earlier, but I'm gonna put it down anyways, but lost it. How good does it still work? Oh, that doesn't work at all, huh? Really? Okay. There we go. He's coming towards me at least a little bit to start out. Maybe don't go into that. Wonder if they're liking this. This is what, first or second cast? That's a decent fish. See if I can play this smart. Oh, nice. About the same size fish, I would say. You gonna get the left arm really soaked? There we go. Don't know why this particular bird's so interested in this. It's a little big for you. Okay. Not a big one. Might actually be quite tough to get him unhooked. Awesome. Almost sent that into my thumb there. Okay. Not the size that I really wanted to catch in topwater, but I know this place is bouncing back. Hopefully it gets plenty more rain, gets a bunch of water to really stay in here. Nice. That's a better fish. No. Oh, I don't think it was any bigger than the other two big ones I caught, or more average sized ones that I caught today, but I think I got to redeem myself. And oh, this line's screwing up bad. So I'm gonna try and get one more catch. Hopefully that's not the end of this and the end of bites and catches for today, because this should be prime time. Last 45 minutes to maybe even an hour left until sunset, or at least pretty much to no light left. Maybe sunset's in 30 minutes to 45. Oh, here we go. The birds are going crazy again. Let's just hope it doesn't get me shit on. Nice. Not a big one. Oh, he's just gonna keep jumping, isn't he? Okay. He's got a little bit of power to him now. Oh, let's not get him caught up. Okay. So I can get him over here. There we go. Not a giant by any means, but still a great way to end it. Here we go. Last fish of the day, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna probably pack it up at least in like 5-10 minutes or so, but got 3 catches on each, tons of bites. I'm pretty happy with how I ended the day. I'm gonna release him a little bit out there, and you know, didn't catch the bigger fish that I've been looking for, like 17, 18 incher, but even though I sweat my ass off, decided to wear these, it's still pretty good fishing. Honestly, not the worst of days, but you know, you win some, you lose some. Caught 2 at like 14, 15 incher, so definitely still decent size here. Hopefully it bounces back, but thanks for watching. And now for the peaceful release. He had to give a good kick.